Vitamin D benefits for kids. Benefits. Babies need vitamin D for healthy growth and development. It helps them build strong, healthy bones and teeth. Babies who don't get enough vitamin D are said to have a deficiency. If the levels are low enough, they are at risk of getting rickets, a disease that affects the way bones grow and develop. You can make sure your baby has enough vitamin D by giving a daily supplement, a dose of drops every day. This should start as soon as your baby is born. Gold Nutrition Baby Vitamin D 3 Drops Review. Description: Liquid vitamin D3 for babies. Alcohol-free. Dietary supplement. Vitamin D supplementation for infants is recommended because breastfed infants generally do not obtain adequate vitamin D from other sources. Suggested use. Basic guidelines from the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Institute of Medicine for vitamin D supplementation for babies. If breastfeeding or partially breastfeeding your baby, give your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU, of liquid vitamin D a day, starting in the first few days after birth. Continue giving your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU, of vitamin D until you wean your baby and he or she is drinking 32 ounces, approximately 1 liter, a day of vitamin D fortified formula or, after age 12 months, whole cow's milk. If feeding your baby less than 32 ounces, about 1 liter, a day of a vitamin D fortified formula, give your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU, of liquid vitamin D a day, starting in the first few days after birth. Continue giving your baby 10 mcg, 400 IU, of vitamin D until he or she drinks at least 32 ounces, approximately 1 liter, a day. Suggested use for infants through 12 months of age: 1 drop daily added to formula, milk, juice or other foods. Shake well before using. Other ingredients: fractionated coconut oil, medium-chain triglycerides from coconut. Contains coconut. Warnings: do not exceed 1 drop per day unless directed by your healthcare professional. Keep out of the reach of children. Store in a cool, dry place, ideally between 68-77 F. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.